Hey, welcome to another video from Explore Thailand 4K. Tonight, we're taking you straight into the heart of Phuket's wild nightlife, Bangla Road in Patong. This street is famous around the world for its neon lights, booming music, street performers, and non-stop party vibes. Whether you're planning to visit or just want to feel the energy from home, you're in the right place. So turn up the volume, sit back, and let's explore Patong Walking Street together in full 4K. Look at this energy. From the moment you enter Bangla Road, it hits you. Music coming from every direction, people dancing, laughing, taking pictures. There's a mix of tourists, locals, expats, all just soaking in the vibe. Every few steps, there's a different bar or club, some with live DJs, some with open-air stages. Patong is famous for its go-go bars, but also has rooftop bars and chill spots with reggae music. If you're starting this walk from the main entrance of Bangla Road, one of the first things you'll notice, aside from the loud music, is the smell of food in the air. Right near the entrance, on the left and right side, there are small street food stalls and vendors selling everything from grilled chicken skewers to pad thai and mango sticky rice. It's a great place to grab a quick bite before diving into the nightlife, or even after a long night of partying. Patong also has late-night food everywhere. Grilled meat skewers, mango sticky rice, pad thai, pancakes with Nutella. It smells amazing. Don't be afraid to try the street food. It's cheap, tasty, and part of the Thai nightlife culture. The energy here is like no other. Whether it's your first time or your 10th, it always feels electric. You'll see couples, solo travelers, groups of friends, even families walking through just to feel the vibe. There's something happening in every direction. It's sensory overload in the best way. Some of the most famous clubs here are Illuzion, Sugar Club, and White Room, places that keep the party going all night long. You might see fire dancers, LED robots, or people dressed in wild costumes. Street performers here are part of the experience. Sometimes you'll even see locals doing Muay Thai demonstrations outside the fight stadium nearby. It's not all just parties. You'll hear the sound of tuk-tuk horns, EDM beats, and shouting promoters offering drink deals. If you're into people watching, this is the perfect place. Neon signs light up the street, like Vegas. Everything is glowing, even the menus. A few quick tips. Always stay aware of your belongings. It's safe, but crowded. Say no thank you politely to people trying to sell you things. Don't forget to hydrate. It's hot, even at night here. And if you want to party, go slow. There's a lot too. Now that we're right in the heart of Bangla Road, let me tell you something you probably didn't know. This place wasn't always about nightlife, neon lights, and loud music. Back in the 1970s, Patong was just a quiet beach town, mostly fishermen, local markets, and dirt roads. But when international tourists started discovering Phuket's beautiful beaches, everything began to change. Patong also has late-night food everywhere. Grilled meat skewers, mango sticky rice, pad thai, pancakes with Nutella. It smells amazing. Don't be afraid to try the street food. It's cheap, tasty, and part of the Thai nightlife culture. There's a lot to explore. As we reach the end of Bangla Road, you might hear the waves from Patong Beach in the background. The party might be wild, but the beach is just a short walk away, where you can cool down or watch the stars. Only in Thailand can you go from techno beats to ocean breeze in just minutes. Thanks for joining me on this quick walk through Patong's famous nightlife street. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for joining me on this quick walk through Patong's famous nightlife street. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below. What would you do first if you were walking here tonight? And don't miss the next video where we explore Patong Beach at night, a totally different vibe under the moonlight. See you there.